Good morning, everyone. Hello again. Happy holidays. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday right now, like I said, so I'm a little late on the recording for this week. I apologize, but I'm going to go ahead and wash my truck, kind of get it ready for the winter. Going around the outside, wheels, tires, and then vacuuming all the inside, kind of wiping everything down. And then I do have some cheap kind of spray ceramic I'm going to put on the outside in the glass just for the road salt and stuff when we start throwing it down over here. But yeah, I figured I'd make a little video, show you guys cleaning it. We do have a pressure washer, but I'm not bringing it out today. I'm just doing the hose, and then we have a little hose attachment foam gun, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Yeah, I'll get you guys some cool shots, step in, say something when I need to, but yeah, just enjoy. Alright y'all, we are all done with the outside and it is looking good. So going to go ahead and move on to the inside, which definitely needs a vacuum and a good wipe down of everything. A little embarrassing to show, but I do got a dog, so I'll blame most of this on him. Passenger side, not too bad. Just a little wipe down up top. I'll show you the back real quick. Same thing back here, some dog hair and whatnot. So we'll go ahead and get this vacuumed up real quick, probably wiped down, and then that should be job done. Alright everyone, got this thing all wiped down. Whew, sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I'm going to go ahead now and put that spray ceramic on the outside. Let me show you. I watched a YouTube video of a bunch of cheap spray ceramics, and this one was the best tested. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Quick snapshot of the directions there. I'll go ahead and put this on, and then that will be officially job done. So appreciate you guys watching. Don't do an outro. Nothing, I mean, it's invisible, so I can't really show you when I put it on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this on, and should be it for today's video. So appreciate you guys watching this far if you made it. I don't know how long it'll be, hopefully not too bad, but I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate it.